Hello guys, I'm Kyler of Horizon. Oh my God, look at me. I think ito yung araw na siguro na yung naging grade 5 ako neto. Tapos ako yung napili na maging escort. Like, uso yun sa mga school po. Tapos pinagtipon-tipon kami lahat. Then, sino yung mga gustong sumali daw sa escort. Tapos ako yung napili dahil ako daw yung pinakagwapo sa school, sabi. Pero nakakahiya po yun kasi talagang sobrang awkward po talaga. Kasi hindi ko po talaga alam kung ano yung dapat gawin, kung ano yung dapat na ipakita. Kaya tignan niyo po, nung pinicturean po ako dito, talagang pilit eh. Pero ako po yung nanalo na ano dito. Ako po yung first place, I think. Ayun po, kaya may nakalagay po sa akin na ano dito. Something. Ayun po. Hindi ko naman po masasabi na sobrang popular, but ako po, tinatawag po ako ng mga classmate ko dati na ako daw po yung crush ng campus po. Ganun. Nung elementary po, dati, kasi parang ano lang po, message, ganun. Binibigay nila kasi, pero para sa akin po talagang, nag-aaral lang po talaga ako. As in like, hindi ko po talaga pinapansin yung mga ganun. Kaya nasasabihan po ako na masungit. Ayun. Oh, I think this is the... Look at my hairstyle. Ito po yung araw na graduate na po ako. Ito yung grade 6 ako neto, and naalala ko, like, my dad is so smiling at me because I don't like my hair. And my mom, she said like, huwag ka nang mahiya sa buhok mo. Okay lang naman yan, bagay naman sa'yo kasi estudyante ka naman. Ayun. Look at my smile. I fake it. Marami po kami dun, like ibang section, then pinagtitipon po lahat, then tatawagin isa, then may iaabot na envelope, which is, pag naabot mo yon, gagraduate ka na. Yun po yung napagtagumpayan mo, halimbawa, magiging masaya ka kasi hindi ka bagsak, ganun. Ang mahirap po dun is, like, pag di ka natawag sa, which is, hindi ka makakagraduate, ayun po. Kaya yun yung nakakakaba. Oh, okay. This is my dad and my mom, and this is me. I'm so cute. It was the time that my father and my mom, they say to me like, we will have some photo booth. It will be a best memory. But this is a long time ago. I don't remember how old I am, and I'm so sad because my dad is passed away. Yeah. So shout out to my dad in heaven. I hope you are proud to me now. My dad is so very kind, and he's so handsome as me. And every weekend we shopping together, buy some clothes, and we eat to restaurant. And my mom is so very pretty. Yes, he cook very well. He cook for us always. After training, because we put so much effort to our training because we are so many schedule. After training, when we get to our dorm, I was able to contact my mom and say hello. I asked her to, have you eat a lot like that? And my mother said to me like, how was you going? I said to, don't worry about me because I'm doing well. I have one sibling. He is a boy like me. His name is Jiro. I'm kinda miss my brother. I'm so very far from brother. We used to play a game like mobile games, and we're having some talk, like we're jokes. Naalala ko dati po yung time na nung bata pa po kami, mga around, I'm 11 years old and he is like 10 years old. I try to bully my brother, but siya yung makulit sa aming dalawa. Sa papa at mama ko. Yun. Wow! Oh, okay. It was my birthday. I'm turning 1 year old. And look at my mom. Ina-assist niya ako para maihipan yung kandila. Kasi ako, yung bibig ko dito nakasara. Kaya hindi ko masyadong ma-blow. Feeling ko po nung time na buhay pa po si Dad, every na nagbe-birthday po ako, lagi niya po akong binibigyan ng cake, hinahandaan niya po ako lagi. Tapos palagi niya po sa akin ginagawa is kinikiss niya po ako sa noo, which is yun po yung pinaka the best feeling ever na natatanggap ko. Kasi dahil po doon, masaya na ako. Ayun po. Oh, it was the same. This is my birthday again. My mom handled me. Ito po yung time na tapos na yung birthday, then nagpicture po kami dalawa ng nanay ko. Kasi naalala ko na sinabi niya sa akin dito na sabi niya sa akin, "Anak, tara, magpicture tayo kasi para makita mo yung dating mukha mo, kung gaano ka ka-cute." Ayun po. Ayaw nila na gumagawa ako ng masasamang bagay, like sumasagot sa magulang, ganun. Ayaw po nila ng ganun. Dinidisip po nila ako kapag nakakagawa ko ng halimbawa na nagiging pasaway po ako sa kanila. Tapos ayaw na ayaw din po nila yung nagmumura po. Bata, ganun. Ayaw po nila. Oh, I remember this. 8 or 9, I think. Ito yung araw na talagang makikita mo super happy ko dahil nandun yung family ko. Kasi lahat ng family dito talagang in-invite para makanood ng performance namin. Sumayaw ako dito na parang pang hip-hop. Naalala ko yung music po dito, which is yung kay Justin Bieber, yung Baby niya. Tapos ayun po yung sinayaw ko. Kaya makikita niyo po sa suot ko, parang sobrang maluwag, ganun, pang swaggy style like rapper. Which is, na-recommend lang po talaga sa akin ng kaibigan ko dahil may parang nakitaan niya daw po ako ng potential na maging singer kasi wala po kaming ginagawa along back then. Nung nag-aaral pa po kami, nagtatry po ako na kumanta habang nagigitara po yung kaibigan ko. Ayun po. I always have star quality. Oh, it's so hard. Like, I think this. I feel like when I'm dancing at that time, I'm so happy. Look at my face. I'm so proud because my mom is there to support me. Oh, this is Swaggy Kyler. I hope you guys enjoyed this photo. I'm so happy to be here with channel. Thank you for having me. I hope you guys enjoy my journey. Itong napakita ko sa inyong picture, sana nagustuhan nyo. Like, nakakatuwa lang dahil na experience kong i-share sa inyo yung naging buhay ko dati. Bye-bye!